percentile. I made a website about numbers in my coding class. My two teachers, Divya and Shravan, teach me so much about coding. This is my menu right here. You can click any of the 7 things you want. You can click the home page, my YouTube video, which is me counting 50 digits of pi, the Googology section, my aliens page, my powers of 2 page, my about page, and my contact page. The 2 most important pages I want to show you are the about page as you can see, I love numbers. I've competed for many math awards. And if you want to send us a message, you can right here on my contact. Okay, and if you go to my YouTube video, then it takes you all the way down to my YouTube video where I do 50 digits of pi.
I'm going to do pi. 3.1415926535889.
Here's my slideshow with pi, e, the golden ratio, 1.618, and tau. Here's my number gallery. When you click on a number, it takes you to a fact about it below. And you can keep clicking this right arrow to see the next number, or this left arrow to see the previous number. Yeah, when you go to my YouTube, it takes you to my YouTube. When you go to my Instagram, it takes you to my Instagram. Look! This is pretty cool. I picked LQ for my logo for Logan Loves Learning, because I think it looks good like that, because there are 3 L's. Logan Loves Learning. When you click on this calculator, it will take you to an online calculator. Let's do 4 times 6. 24. Okay, guys, that just about wraps it up for my website tour. Bye!